Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at a ray diagram for a diverging lens, a ray diagram for an object away from the principal axis of a diverging lens. We'll talk about lens power and then finish with a summary.
Let's try and use a ray diagram to figure out where the image created by a diverging lens is going to be. So this here is the symbol that we're using from now on for a diverging lens. Light rays are going to go from our object to the lens, but we want to know what's going to happen to them then. Well, our first step is going to be to draw a ray parallel to the principal axis. In particular, we're going to be drawing a ray which emerges from the top of the object. We know that this ray is going to look as if it has emerged from the focal point. So here is our focal point. Here is our principal axis. And when we draw a ray parallel to the principal axis, it's going to go in a direction so that it looks as if it came from that focal point. Our next step is to draw a ray from the top of the object to the center of the lens. We know that this ray isn't going to change direction. So here's the optical center. And when a ray goes through the optical center, it doesn't change direction. Nothing happens to it. So we've drawn two light rays, both coming from the same point on our object. The image of the top of our object is going to be the point where these two rays now appear to emerge from. So these here are two light rays which are both coming from the top of the object, but they appear to come from here. So this point here is the image of the top of the object. Now, when part of an object is on the principal axis, its image will also be on the principal axis. So for example, the bottom of our object was on the principal axis, so the bottom of its image will be as well. And so the bottom of the image is just here. We've constructed the full image now. Now remember that a diverging lens is a lens which makes rays diverge or move apart from each other. As a result, the image produced by a diverging lens is always a virtual image because the lens causes rays to spread out.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.